Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Dow Jones 30 futures chart. The Dow Jones 30 currently finds itself trading at 33,760. We have continued to see a very sharp move higher here. And what's really interesting for the Dow Jones 30, in fact, I actually mentioned this last week. I said that, technology was the reason as to why we had bounced off these lows here. I think it was the likes of technology and energy stocks when we saw that massive pop higher in crude oil over the past week. But I did say 2 weeks ago that if this market is to trade back up towards its yearly swing highs, which currently sit around 34,500, we are going to have to see the likes of financials and energy stocks help technology take this market higher. And that's exactly what we've seen so far this week. We have seen financial stocks outperform the S&P 500, as well as energy names also find a bid. So this is very encouraging. We're seeing a broad majority of the industries and sectors within the Dow Jones 30 contribute to this momentum towards the upside, and that's very encouraging. We're seeing a lot of wide breadth in the Dow Jones 30. So I do believe that technology will find a bid in the coming days and weeks ahead. I feel like we're just filling back some gaps that were formed over the past couple of weeks. And once technology finds a bid, I still do believe that the likes of financials can still, outperform. Of course, it's a very big week for the financials on Friday. We kick off earnings season. We hear from the likes of JP Morgan, for example. And, if financials do start to outperform the market and continue to outperform, and we still see the participation from energy stocks, and we also see the technology stocks start to reverse some of their short-term losses that we've seen over the past couple of days, then we could really see the Dow Jones 30 go and target 34,500 here. So I do like taking advantage of any dips that do occur here. One thing I really like from a technical perspective is that we have an upward sloping 50 and 200-day EMA. So I think it's only a matter of time now until we do go and target the swing highs of this year. I really like the setup. The MACD line is now crossed back above the baseline. So, things are starting to look very positive from a technical perspective here for the Dow Jones 30. Of course, all eyes on the CPI reading, which is due out in a few hours' time. The number is expected to come in at 5.1%. A number lower than 5.1% likely sends this market significantly higher. A number above 5.1%, then we could potentially see some moves towards the downside where we go and test a 50-day EMA. But I don't think it'd be the end of the world. With that being said, anyone who would like to receive my daily market research as well as join my trading signal group so that you can copy my future trades, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you through to my website where you can subscribe for a very small fee of $29.